Just try it.
I was really bad with the sound.
Brothers are gonna come this way.
I try one.
Wait.
Stronger.
You guys are welcome to put your purses either in that basket or hanging up on this.
Right there.
This one was right here. Hit the.
No. Don't put this in there. You figure
Yeah.
shoot there. We can put it.
Are you guys done? Yeah, absolutely. You look so good in there. So have a wonderful day.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, fully comes out. It's the shell case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's not like,
Well,
setting stuff up.
yeah, it's her grip. So I'm gonna fix her grip so it stops doing that. So I'm gonna put 2 in there, but we're not gonna load it just yet. So when you're holding it, are you right-handed? Okay. Grab with your hand as high as you can. Off the trigger. Flipping too much, that's why it keeps jamming.
Okay.
So you want it up as high as you can, wrap your hands around until it's nice and firm, and you're gonna hold it up, and we're telling you, you want to lean into it.
Okay.
So it's just gonna help you, if you lean back, that recoil is just gonna push you back into something so good. So you want to have it nice and even. Let's try it now before we leave. Yep, except you want the thumb on this side. Yep. So you're gonna want it, yeah, just like that. Perfect. That way, because if your thumb's back here, this comes back about 100 miles an hour. So I think your thumb is gonna cut you. So just like that, nice and firm.
And then just pick it.
Yep, you want to line up your sights to whatever it is you want to. You want to put this in the middle of what you're aiming at. Then make sure you line it up with your rear sight. Sorry, I forgot. What did you do? But that was good. That was a good trigger pull. Kids. Okay. So you want this thumb on this thumb. You did good. Just gotta hold it nice and firm. You have one more in there. And your last step is going to be, before you walk away, you're going to turn over, push this button, and pull that magazine. We want that to stay open when you're done. So right now, it just stays open. Awesome.
I can.
Well, I wanna
This one.
try this though.
I don't know, but I can switch this one if you're gonna use this one, right? And we said this was 30.
It's a 38, we already switched it.
Oh, this is 30.
Yes. It's 30.
Oh, that.
High season.
Hey, if you want to fix the size or you want to use, we can just choose on that.
Okay.
So we can put it closer.
Well,
I'm fine to start.
yeah, I haven't shot in like 6 years, so I feel like I should try something first.
We always try to grab it back.
So it's this one here, right, that you just put down?
Yeah.
And there's no safety on right now?
No,
Okay. And how did she say to put this on?
On this side.
Like to grab it like this.
Oh, okay. Okay. Like around the body. I have no idea where that was.
Just a warning, that's going to be a little loud.
I don't know what's going on.
That was good. I was trying to kill him, but we did a great job. I think it's dead now. When I try now, we're going to beat. You know the position. Pretty good.
Do you use one eye or do you use like just your right eye to see your
Pretty good. Because they jump over the side. That's good. You see, like,
So let's go.
try to see if he's stopped or not.
that was pretty good.
Okay.
trying to aim to the body.
Yours is the one I'm trying to get. Okay. Stand so I can see the gun, but obviously still keep it loose.
Go to the second line.
Do I need the second line or the first one?
Second line.
Second line. Give me like half of your face. Look real quick. Let me see like part of your face. There we go.
And that hand, on the other side, remember the thumb? There you go.
so great.
Nice.
Not so great. Really painful arm injury.
Oh, you.
When did I go? 2009. But it did have some pretty cool pictures.
That's right. We're not gonna see where I'm hitting or not, but that's all.
Yeah, it does.
You're not gonna be able to stop the grip, the recoil yet, but you can help control it a little bit. So that grip I showed you, you want to squeeze it firmly with your right hand, but squeeze it more with your left hand, just so you can help steady it. And eventually, it's really just something you gotta get used to. But you're doing way better. It was jamming every time, now it's not jamming at all for you. So it just takes practice. Yeah.
You hit the target.
Yeah. Some people don't even hit the paper.
I'm gonna try to hit the
Yours are
pants.
more on center than mine are.
I'm gonna try to hit the pants area
Okay.
because the other one is full of holes. So
Yeah, the last time we went, this is what we shot. See, that was Todd's actual gun, that I'm pretty sure. Once every 6 years.
Just use this shit. Pretty even from the second one, it was like, I felt like I was doing the exact same thing, but clearly not. Phoebe, put your target up.